We're gonna try something really crazy. We came to this halal food here restaurant, and we're gonna get the chicken and shrimp set. Trust me, that's what it says. I honestly don't know. Okay, sweet. Sakeereen Halal Food. Let's try it out. Sakeereen. How about we sit right here? Got the whole place to myself again. And they said it was busy in Thailand. Wow. So I guess they speak no English, which is fine. I managed to order my food, so that's a good thing. And I guess you boil your food on this. Oh, that's the hot plate she gave me. And there's supposed to be a pot coming here. Can't wait to see. Wait till you see this thing. It's gonna be pretty cool. Oh my God, check this out. It's the coolest thing I've ever seen. Everything's on fire right now. Like, I don't even know what I'm supposed to do. Shouldn't even tell me. Oh, there's more. Look at all this crazy stuff. Shrimp, chicken. Oh, you can get an egg. Wow. Thank you. Guess these are my cooking utensils. I don't know if I begin now or how long I'm supposed to wait. Alright, so I got some chopsticks too. A little spoon. Little bowl. I have no idea. I'm gonna take the lid off this thing because it's gonna burn my hand. It's freaking piping hot. I feel like it's eat with that. Here's what you do here. How do I get the food inside the pot? Do I just scoop it in there with one of these things? One to put it in, one to take it out. This one's gonna be the take it out. This one's gonna be to put it in. Put the meat inside the pot. Alright, so the water's boiling. Now I think we gotta put one of these poor guys in there. I honestly don't know. I think I'm butchering this. Okay, shrimp in. One chicken in. I just kind of scoop them in there. How do I put the lid back on? God, that's so hot. I don't lie, it's actually pretty good. A little spicy. Isn't this one of the coolest ways I've ever seen someone cook their food? I'd definitely do this again. Holy Christ. Can't wait to see how much this costs. I mean, I cooked half the food. I wonder if it's too late to eat any more of this food in the pot. Might still be good. Still lots of chicken in there. Oh yeah, get those big chunks. It looks really messy, but it tastes really good. Spicy, sweet. I like the sweet and spicy. One more sweet. Okay, that's enough. Bowl number 2. The more you eat, the spicier it gets. Can't even talk, it's so spicy. My tongue's so hot right now. I'm starting to sweat. But definitely come back. This is so good. Carrots. Look at those noodles. So soft. They just melt in your mouth. see why she gave me this water and ice. Let's get a straw. That's what I'm talking about. It's very good. Making a mess. Who's gonna kill me? I got this stuff all over my face. One tissue paper. It's actually toilet paper. Now the only problem is I only have chopsticks. But I want to somehow finish off all this soup, but the spoon that we used, we were touching all the raw meat, so I guess that ain't happening. Try and get the big chunks out of here. Whatever's left. Oh, it's so good. Let's just check the pot one more time. Just got a little bit of green stuff. One of the yellow vegetables. I think that's pretty much it. It's just water now. Some more of that water. I feel like I'm in like the 1800s or something. This is so crazy. I'm not quite sure how they like this thing either. Looks like just a bunch of coal in there just burning. Oh my god. I'm starving still. I mean, I didn't really eat everything, so I wasn't really sure how to do it, but I don't think it would have made a difference. Getting a lot busier in here. I think I brought all the business in. Let's go find out how much. Bye-bye, hot bowl. Bye-bye. Very good. Shrimp, chicken. I pay? Pay? Him? Boss. We're right on the side of the road here. The kitchen's right at the front of the restaurant. Man chef is cooking up all the food. Tastes so good. Sakeereen Halal Food. Still waiting to pay, but that's okay. We got lots of time. Just gonna watch this man work. Busy man. Very good. 7 cup. 119. Oh, very good price. Bag here. It's good, my friend.
Okay, thank you.
It's good, thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day. You're working hard. They even sell coconuts here. Big coconut. How cool is that place? Oh my god. I've never been to a restaurant like that before. I think that's the end of our trip. We met Mr. Kot and his owner, the coolest bull in Thailand. Maybe we'll have to come back here in a year when Mr. Kot gets bigger. But for now, I'm gonna head back to the hotel, get some rest, because tomorrow we're going to a different island. So until the next one, keep on bouncing, baby. Don't forget to wear your hat every time you're on your bike.